Pasamundos. Hi, everybody. It's Mr. B, teaching you from home. All right, today we're going to talk about adding two digits. I hope that you watched the first video. The first video, when you add with a pirate, you're always... No, wait a minute. When you add, you're getting a sum. The answer is called a sum. So if we looked at this right here, that's the sum. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Today we're talking about addition. Mirror my actions. Addition is when you take some numbers and you put them together. Addition is when you take some numbers and you put them together. All right. Now, we are going to be adding some numbers. So let me get set up here and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have a problem here. 35 plus 24. Now, if we look at the number 35, we know that we have 5 ones and 3 tens. If we look at the number 24, we have 4 ones and 2 tens. And what we're going to do first is we're going to draw a line between our ones and tens, right? Beautiful. Now, we have our ones here lined up with our ones, and we have our tens lined up with our tens. Now, we're going to add. We know we're going to add because we have the addition sign right here. That tells us we're going to put numbers together. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top of the ones. We're going to start right here, right? We're not going to worry about the tens yet. We're only going to worry about what's on this side of the line over here, the 5 and the 4. And I'm going to put my dots here. And I'm going to put dots big enough to where I can see them, right? And I'm going to make sure that it's my best, neatest work, because I don't want to go back later and find out that I can't read my own writing, because that's going to cause me a problem. I know that I got 4 dots here with my 4, and they go like this. And I've got my 5 dots with my 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm not going to put my dots over here yet. I'm not worried about the tens column. I'm just worried about the ones column. So I'm going to count these dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put that 9 right below my ones because I have 9 ones. Okay? So I've got my ones column taken care of. I'm going to move over here to my tens now, and I'm going to put my dots. I've got 3 dots for the 3. 1, 2, 3. I've got 2 dots for my 2. 1, 2. Now I'm going to count up all those dots just for my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my sum, my answer to 35 plus 24, the sum is 59. See how I did that? I did the ones first, and then I did the tens. I'll be back with another one in a second. Okay, so now we've got 23 plus 16. If I look at the number 23, I've got 3 in my ones place, 2 in my tens place. And if I look at the number 16, I've got 6 ones and 1 10. My ones line up over my ones. My tens line up over my tens. And I'm going to put a line right between these two. Now I'm going to start with just my ones. I'm going to put 3 dots on my 3. Make sure they're neat so I can read them when I go back to count them. And I've got 6 dots over here. Now I'm going to count up just my ones. I'm not going to worry about the tens yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to put the answer, the sum of the ones, right underneath the ones. It's 9. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to put 1 dot here, and 2 dots here for my 2, and 1 dot for my 1. Now I'm going to count up all the dots on my tens. I got 1, 2, 3. And I put that answer right below my tens. The sum of 23 plus 16 is 39. Now, I'm going to add an attachment to my email today that has some problems like this. You can either print it out and do it, or you can just take the numbers on the, you can just open up the file and copy them down on a piece of paper, and we can look at them next time we get together, which will probably be Friday for math, okay? I'll be doing language arts and math every other day. So you'll get language arts tomorrow. All right. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I will see you tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.